Anil, really nice to have you today. Maybe you could introduce yourself and Mekonos.
Thanks for having me. My name is Anil Narasimha. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Mekonos. Our goal as a company is to really build the future of cell therapies on a chip. And the way we're doing that is being an enabling technology for delivery of molecules into cells in applications in cell and gene therapy, which is an exciting field, and cell engineering as well.
Very nice. Why is now the right time for your project?
As I said, cell and gene therapy right now has so much potential. The first FDA-approved drug in cell therapy was in 2017, and then since then there have been a number of approvals. We're not talking about treatments anymore for diseases, we're talking about cures, right? For diseases that for years have never been able to have cures or even have the ability to have cures. And now we're talking cures, which is exciting. It's still such a new field and there's so many limitations. And so our goal as a company is to really solve some of these limitations and make this process kind of more affordable, more accessible to all the population. And you get this kind of this ability to make it kind of a universal type of application.
Very nice. So today you had the first TDK Ventures Portfolio Summit. Are you enjoying yourself and was it valuable?
I love these types of events. It's great to see all the other cool companies and their technology and what they can do. But selfishly for us as a company, it's great to scope out potential collaboration opportunities, kind of and understand and even take advantage of what TDK has to offer. That's super exciting for us because I think there's so much potential for us to not only take advantage of the things that TDK brings, but also to make our processes more efficient as well.
So which portfolio company impressed you the most today?
That's a great question. I think, something like driverless vehicles is always interesting. I'm a technology enthusiast, even though I'm a molecular biologist by training. So, when people talk about cool technology, it's always like, oh my God, this is amazing. I think we're building something complex, but sometimes when I hear other technology, that's like, I don't know how they're doing this, right? And I think it's so cool to see people with their passion and energy and their excitement to kind of really change the world, and that's what we're trying to do as well.
Very nice. What does TDK goodness mean to you?
I'm a first-time founder, right? And so I need all the help I can get in order for a company like Mekonos to be successful. And it's so awesome for TDK and TDK Ventures to really be proactive in helping founders like myself. And you don't necessarily see that with potential other investors. And so I'm so grateful for the opportunity to be a part of the portfolio and be part of kind of where TDK Ventures wants to go, because I think there's so much excitement around the technology in general, but just the market itself, there's so much opportunity.
We're actually grateful to be part of your journey. Maybe you could share an example of a collaboration between Mekonos and TDK that is valuable.
Yeah, for sure. We're a semiconductor company, right? And so there's always room for kind of figuring out more efficient ways of our process flow, whether it's the fabrication of the nanoneedles that we do, whether it's the chip development itself. So a company like Tronics is a company that I think makes a lot of sense for us to understand kind of what they have the ability to help us out with and to really explore that, because I think there's always room for, I don't want to say improvement, but there's always room for new ideas and new ways of being, how can we be more efficient, right? Because remember, one of our goals is to be kind of cost saving for cell and therapy developers. And so if we can come up with better strategies and new strategies, that's always a market that we would want to explore.
Very nice. What could be the next TDK teams you would like to work with?
Again, I think it comes down to how can we improve our semiconductor portfolio, right? We're developing kind of not the most complex chips, but chips themselves that has microfluidics technology, MEMS technology, right? All of these kind of technologies kind of merging together. So I think the types of companies that I think would help us in terms of a collaboration are companies that bring in a level of expertise that, I think we have amazing people on our team, but also bring in that external expertise, almost an external look into, all right, how do we make this more efficient? How do we make these these are new strategies that we could potentially employ. And just to be, again, just to make sure that we have the ability to kind of achieve our goals.
Very nice. Talking about goals, what do you see for Mekonos to be in 5 years?
Oh, that's a great question. Our goal as a company is to really be an integrated platform and an integrated solution from R&D through manufacturing. So the entire process for applications in cell and gene therapy. Right now, our partnerships have been focused on the R&D side. As we continue to evolve, as we continue to mature as a company, we're tackling that manufacturing angle, right? And so kind of putting the puzzle, piecing the puzzle together from R&D through manufacturing. And so the products that we develop, the products that we build, hopefully address that integrated solution, because it's a huge problem in the space right now. If we can be that, I call it a one-stop shop of R&D issues, development issues, manufacturing issues, and if our products can solve those issues, we would add a level of value that just doesn't exist today.
Immense. I mean, the time to cure,
Yeah.
pun intended, I guess,
Yeah.
is amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you, Anil, very much.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.